Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix disabled account on Discord. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in support.discord.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official support site for Discord. Now, once you're on this page, you can either scroll over through the various sections and look for the disabled account section, or you can simply click on submit a request at the top right corner. From here, click on the drop down menu and then click on appeals and age update requests. Then you can go ahead and fulfill your email address and click on the checkbox to verify your location. Then click on the drop down menu and click on appeal an action taken on my account or bot. Then choose an action taken on my account on the what would you like to appeal section, and within the subject section simply type in disabled accounts, and then in the description go ahead and type in that your account has been disabled by mistake and you want it restored. You can also add an attachment by clicking on add file if you feel that it would help your case. Then simply click on the submit button and your request will be submitted. You will then have to wait until you receive an email from Discord, within which you will find a link or the information to follow that will allow you to re-enable your account. And there you have it. That is how you can fix disabled accounts on Discord. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.